here.
Nobody is here. Nobody.
They knew?
Oh, yes. I've known all the time. This is a game.
A game?
A game of life and death.
Hi, the first time when I met God, God said I was a liar. Change, don't continue to sin. God called me friend. I talked all night with God until the next day. It took me a month to realize that I had committed many sins. It took me many months to realize the sins I had committed were so serious and unforgivable. But the Creator still forgave me when I stopped sinning and returned to the Creator. Now I understand why I used to be so scared when I saw lightning, or the sound of a cat in the night. Because my previous DNA was contaminated with the devil's DNA. Now that I have removed the devil's DNA from my DNA, I am no longer afraid when lightning strikes before my eyes while sitting under the storm. The fear of Lord is the beginning of knowledge. To stop sinning is to return to the Creator. The only way to heaven is to pass the test of the Creator. We are tempted by the falsehoods of life, that is the test. We have difficulty suffering, that is also a test. We are tempted by material possessions, by rhetoric about getting rich, about living a rich life, that is also a test. When we are physically seduced by sexual eroticism, lewd images are still the test. We need to be strong and use our mind to pass every test. A good, happy life is always for those who know how to calm down and diligently think and work with their whole heart. Man living on earth is a school to learn. It doesn't matter who is better or does better, but who has compassion and love in their hearts to share to help others. Gods are warriors of the Creator with very high awareness and responsibility.
They're not going to attack us.
So should those who return to the Creator. Life is not for everyone. A gift only for the one who deserves it. Share with as many people as possible. Thank you.
Minute.
Tovi. Ragnar.
Managadu. Manaha di wick. A chipchur muriak anaha walamaduk, you know. When she gwigda, a wordis cook, and saw malminan, like a dowling.
I think he wants us to go with him.
Well, let's go.
Begedaulet. Ule mude jiknigama. Kisikon kuisinen peminuit. Piluen kuisinen. Weijidu. Tebidemo. Nigani. Munen olnowek. Kando abolna montesne. Ma semtu gwen igenu muhat leaptahane. Del genamuxi e genanine na mush banaboren mat gigamach. Wala me dote di snoek. Geb me de montesne.
Ragnar.
Glad.
Glad?
Glad.
El nasip jigulsil.